Oh man, my mouth is on fire.
Hello, Radnor. Today I'll be interviewing the Dean of Students turned Assistant Principal in charge of grades 10 to 12. It is also his birthday, his 30th birthday.
Correct.
It is Assistant Principal Thomas, Mr. Thomas.
Domino.
Brett. Can I call you Brett?
Today you can.
Today, awesome.
For this interview you may.
Awesome. Okay, so for this first question,
I'm nervous. Can you tell? Do I look nervous? Okay.
You look fine, you look fine.
Thanks, Domino.
So for this first hot sauce, while you're putting that on, I'll let you go first.
This is Tabasco. I've had Tabasco sauce before, so
it's easy.
I'm getting generous on that too. There you go, sir.
So what do you do at Radnor High School?
What do I do at Radnor High School? Depends on who you ask.
Well, what would you tell, like, if you had to put it on?
Are we cheersing this too? Yeah.
Of course.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
Get in there. I am mostly in charge of discipline and attendance for 10th and 12th grade. I have some events that I do. I'm in charge of the calendar, general school security, troubleshooting issues as they come up during the day, student services, so anything that's really non-academic related to student life with 10th and 12th graders falls on me.
That's you?
That's
awesome.
me.
Who's for 9th and 10th graders?
Mrs. Tour.
9th graders. Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. So also, since we want to get to know you, do you have any hobbies you have?
Hobbies? Well, I used to coach 2 sports here, football and lacrosse. I played lacrosse in college at Westchester, back in the day when they had a program. But I really like to fish in my leisure time.
That's awesome. How long did you coach football?
10 years, both sports. Yeah.
You became Dean of Students? And then...
I was Dean of Students while I was coaching. So,
oh, wow.
Yeah, doing a little both.
That's tough. That's
busy
cool.
guy, yeah. Busy guy. Shake it up. I prefer the flats. Are you a flat or a drumstick guy?
I kind of like, I don't know, the drums or the flats, like I get little stuff stuck in the middle.
Whoa.
Right? It comes out fast.
Whoa. It's a lot of habanero hot sauce. All right, let's get this done.
All right, ready?
Got a mango flavor to it?
Yeah, I want to say mango, like jewel pods, which we will get to.
Mango jewel pods, yeah. Please stop flushing jewel pods down the bathroom toilets, please. It's disgusting.
I agree, because sometimes I go to the bathroom, I'll just be like a toilet full of mango pods. Ooh, move this out the way.
Yeah. I'm gonna hit now, you know what, I'm gonna hold off on the milk.
Let's see how long we can go.
I wanna see how long I can go too.
All right, let's see. I know that parking is a big problem at Radnor High School.
Parking, that's one of the things I'm in charge of too. Yeah, I forgot to mention that.
What I want to say is, what could seniors do if a junior is parking in their spot to, like, instead of, boxing them in? What could they do? Like, where could they?
Well, we don't want anybody boxing in. We're trying to crack down on juniors. Juniors that get park on campus, they get handed a written warning. I've probably warned like 6 or 7 kids so far. Second letter goes home. We are moving to putting signs up about towing. So if juniors park on campus, if they don't get a 3rd warning, the 3rd thing would be a tow technically. But seniors, Ryan Berniker and Nick Camposano and the senior class came up with like a Google Forms where they're reporting people parked illegally. So I've been working with security to make sure that we're tracking the license plates and the make and models of the cars that are parked illegally. So when juniors do try to register to park next year, they will not be in the lottery if they have been parked on campus legally more than once. Not bad at all.
This is easy.
Easy.
I was expecting this to be way worse.
I thought you were really, gonna mess me up here today. 3 for 3. I'm not even feeling a tingle on my tongue.
Listen, we still have 4 more to go.
I know. I'm getting a little nervous as we get down there. I see death and the end in 2 of the names of the hot sauces we're about to try. Wings are very tasty. Shout out to Wingers and Tucker Papa for taking care of that. Really, really good job.
One of the things that you're known for at Radnor High School is catching people who are vaping.
Oh, that's really?
Well, you're more known for like discipline, I would say, but most of the things kids get in trouble for.
Catching kids for vaping?
Vaping.
Yeah.
What would you say one of the worst excuses you've heard for vaping is?
Excuses for vaping?
Or for why you've caught somebody in the bathroom?
Waiting for a friend. That's a common one. I'm just waiting for my buddy. Like, who goes in the bathroom, like, no offense, like, I'm not gonna go in the bathroom, wait for you to do your business and be like, hey, like, I have a full-on conversation while you're doing your business in the bathroom. That's just weird. Everything from, I just found this on the floor, to I'm holding it for a friend, to, oh, we're not allowed to do that?
People.
Yeah, I've gotten that before too. I didn't know that we weren't allowed to do it. I'm 18. Can I vape? I'm like, not in school.
Yeah.
So, yeah, get all of it.
You know, a lot of people actually ask me to ask this. What is Pat's last name? Nobody knows.
Pat at security?
Nobody knows. Everyone.
Oh, I can't divulge that. He's a secret agent. I'm not allowed to give his last name.
Wow. Yeah. He's a secret agent.
Yeah.
Who does he work
for? I can't disclose that either.
Are you sure? Can we keep that on film?
I mean, I've already said too much.
Did you know that I physically cannot cry?
Really?
Yeah, I just sweat from my eyes sometimes.
That makes me sad for you. Crying can be very cathartic.
What's that?
It just feels good. It's a release. Yeah, it makes you like, you know, puts all right back in the world. Ooh. Oh, that's gross.
Oh. That one tasted weird.
Ooh, that's not good.
Ooh. All right, so.
Wait, hold on. I'm not doing it.
Did you just take a drink of milk?
I almost did.
You didn't almost? Will I be able to beat you? Listen.
Okay.
There's a good portion of time where I could not.
That's a slow burn. You feel that in the back of your throat? Oh, yeah.
I remember that on Monday I was in tutoring.
Yes.
With some of my friends. And we were in the bathroom when we came back.
Why?
I was peeing.
Okay. Why did 5 people need to go to the bathroom together at the same time? You don't think that looks weird?
It probably does look weird. I just want to know if you believe me that I didn't vape.
Of course I believe you. If I didn't believe you, I would have taken a different route with how we were discussing the situation. You know, a little escort to the office, a little bag investigation, emptying the pockets. I hate doing that stuff, but yeah, it's part of the job.
It's part of, so I didn't know that you could search students.
We can.
You can?
Yeah, you know what? The school doesn't even need the level of scrutiny that the cops need. Cops need what?
They need a warrant, right?
Well, no, but they can wait for a warrant. They need probable cause. You know what schools need?
Nothing?
Reasonable suspicion.
Ooh.
Isn't that crazy?
I like that.
That's the term. Yeah, reasonable suspicion.
Reasonable suspicion.
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, and a reasonable suspicion would be 5 dudes walking into a bathroom together. It's pretty reasonable suspicion right there. That's hot.
I'm not feeling anything. Maybe we need to put some more. Why don't I put more hot sauce on mine?
Actually, that one, I think that tasted the best. That was the best wing I had out of the 4.
I would agree. I'm gonna put some more on this.
Go ahead, hit it up.
So are there any crazy stories you have about like either catching somebody vaping or something that you've had to like?
Is this whole interview about vaping?
No, that's just the most common thing that I can think of.
What about class cuts? I get way more class cut referrals than vaping.
Oh, that actually reminds me of something. But yeah, what are some funny things you've had about class
cuts?
Well,
the standard line for class cuts is I forgot what cycle day it was. That's the best. What? Oh wait, I had math today? Like I'm like, don't you have math every day?
Oh, yeah.
People don't cut math class though. They're scared of the math teachers, which is good. It makes my job easier with that department. Mostly electives and other classes like that. I think the math department has sufficiently put the fear of God into the students of Radnor High School. To that I owe you. Thank you. Good respect on that.
This one gets real bad. I feel like we're gonna accidentally like. What I was worried is that Tucker was gonna switch the order around and put like the hottest one like 3rd.
I don't know. We haven't touched the milk yet, but let's go. This is hot.
3,
2, 1. Oh God. Oh, it tastes bad. Oh, it's hot. That's hot.
I was doing so.
Oh, I'm struggling.
Oh my gosh. Do you watch anime?
On milk.
At all? Oh my God.
On milk.
This is my favorite anime.
I can't.
Woo! Yeah.
Oh man, my mouth is on fire.
Woo! Oh, is it warm in here?
You're watering. Your eyes are watering.
I'm doing good. My ears right now.
Yeah.
Are doing this thing.
Don't buy Blair's Mega Death hot sauce. It's terrible.
Unless you want to die.
Ugh. Ooh.
So wait, do you watch anime at all?
Nah, I'm not into anime.
You are not like Dragon Ball Z or Naruto?
I mean, the old stuff. Like I can respect people that are into Dragon Ball Z. I might have watched like 5 minutes of an episode once in my life, but nah, I'm not really into the anime.
If you were a character in Marvel, which one would you be?
If I was a character in Marvel, which one would I be? It's a great question. But I think that personality-wise, you know, I'm probably a little more like Thor. You know,
Thor?
I think I'm Thor. Yeah,
because you come at the
like
end
a little
like,
Viking. Like I did my DNA, like a lot of Scandinavian blood.
Really?
So like I think I identify with Thor a little bit. This is 500 times hotter than a jalapeno. So
Yes.
this one we just did.
Oh,
Okay.
wow, that's really nice.
Yeah, it's good to know. Good to know now that after I ate and put it in my system, and now I'm gonna have to digest it. So that's always good.
So if hypothetically, and I'm asking for a friend, if I were to maybe fail to show up to a class a month or two ago, hypothetically,
of
and my
course.
teacher was gracious enough to not write me up for whatever reason, and I were to, like, you know, tell you about it on the interview, would I still be able to get in trouble for that?
I would not assign you a consequence in that instance because your teacher handled it how they want to, and I want to leave that autonomy up to the teachers. Oh, no.
What's
Yeah,
more?
yep.
I feel you.
100%. One more. That's good. That's good. I don't want you to hurt yourself. All right.
All right.
This looks terrible.
The end.
And look, I'm dipping it in. I got more on it. I
You're
want
dipping
everybody
it in.
to see all that hot sauce on
You
there.
sure you got this?
No. I'm really
right.
nervous about this one.
Tucker
though.
told me about this
Tucker,
yesterday.
is this going to make me cry?
Possibly.
Quite possibly. All right, let's hit it. Let's do it.
All right.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
This is 6 million.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Oh my God, it's the hottest thing I've ever had in my life. Oh. I'm gonna spit it out.
Jesus. Oh my God. If you have to throw up, you just do it here. Oh my God. Mr. Thomas, I have a question that a lot of people...
God. Oh, that's good.
Oh, I'm gonna cry.
I'm tearing up. Oh.
Don't put your eyes, don't put
No.
I didn't.
Oh my God, my mouth is on fire.
I touched my eyes. I didn't touch it with any part. Holy.
Oh. Wow. Ah.
It's like,
It physically hurts.
I can't escape this.
In my esophagus, I feel it, and my tongue is on fire. Whew.
Mr. Thomas, why are you drinking that water?
It's milk.
Milk. Did I say butter?
I don't know.
I don't know what I said. What happened to the couches?
Ooh.
Like, I understand, you know, okay.
Tell me what the purpose of a couch in a school building is during the school day. Why we have a need to have a couch.
That's a very fair point.
I'm being honest. Like, why are we encouraging students to nap or lounge or lay on each other? I mean, you know, a lot of people walking by that area.
This milk is like nothing. You know, if
I'm like drooling. My mouth is so hot I can't feel it.
I just need to collect myself for a second.
Yeah, me too. This is really bad. It really hurts.
I didn't touch nothing.
Under my tongue hurts. I'm trying to describe the feeling that my entire tongue is stinging, right? It stings, like really bad. Now my lips hurt. Whew. God, that was a bad idea.
Oh, that was awful.
Everything up until that was fine.
My teeth are like vibrating.
I can't even describe it. I would drink more milk, but I don't.
Yes.
I don't like you.
Listen, I don't want to do this. I argue for all of first
I'm
period.
gonna blow my nose. Like this is like, woo!
So it got a lot better, and now it's starting to like roller coaster. Tucker,
Oof.
I
Tucker,
hate every part of you.
Tucker, did you have the end before?
No.
Oof.
I never will.
We should make you try it.
Yeah, so would you like to say anything to people of Radnor High School, Radnor community that are seeing this video?
Don't ever try the sauce that says the end on it.
The end.
It's not tasty. It's just pain. It's pure pain.
Oh, this has been Hot Ones with Radnor High School. I'm Domino Gilley.
Mr. Thomas.
Brett.
Brett for today.
Mr. Brett, yes, Brett.
Fine.
What's your middle name?
Oh.
Or you don't have to tell us. I'll tell you mine if you tell me yours.
I can look yours up.